In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about adjusting contrast and colors of images. A professor came to me and said that she was running into some accessibility scoring issues with this image. And what we wanted to look at is how we could quickly and easily make it where it has better contrast and it's easier to read for a student who might have a visual impairment. So my first thought was to go black and white with the image. To do that, I would go to Image, Adjustments, and then Desaturate. That would remove the colors from the image, but it doesn't really improve the overall contrast of the image. The next thing I would do is I would come up here to Image, Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. And then I could turn down the brightness and increase the contrast to make things a little bit easier to read, but that still doesn't solve the issue here. I'm going to go ahead and say OK, then use my selection tool, select the box, do the same thing, Image, Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. This time I'm going to turn the brightness up and the contrast up as well. So that's one way of solving this problem. Another way, if you'd like to keep the image colors, would be to go back, and this time, instead of going to black and white, I want to keep this box that doesn't have great contrast, but I want to make it easier to read, so I'm going to select it. Again, I'm just using my rectangle marquee here. I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and Replace Color. I'm going to select my blue, and then I can adjust the hue as well as the lightness of the image to help with that contrast issue. Now, I might also do this with the rules and trigonomic function section. So again, I can go to that same selection tool, that rectangular marquee, select rules. I'm going to hold down the shift key and select trigonomic functions as well. Image, adjustments, replace color, select the red, and then if I wanted to, I could just drag that down to black to replace it with black. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.